Well, have you ever thought about why only 10% of the traders they succeed in the market and 90% of the traders they always lose? Well, one of the main reason is that these traders they are never able to find the holy grail of trading, which is finding the best trading strategy that works 70-80% of the time, and they're always trying to change strategy over strategy again and again. So in this video, I am going to show you the only price action trading strategy that you need, and if you master the exact steps that I will teach you in this video, you won't need another strategy again. Well, let us first understand how this strategy works before I show you the actual trade examples. Now, I call this strategy my ABC pattern based strategy. Now, what I mean by that is I always look for three legs of the movement, and I will show you what do I mean by these legs. I always look for A leg, then B leg, then C leg, and then I wait for the chalk, which is change of character, before deciding whether I need to take the trade or not. Here is what I mean. When buyers make a move to the upside and it's a big movement, then I consider this movement my A leg. Afterwards, obviously there are going to be some sellers, and after these sellers, when buyers make a move to the upside again, that is gonna be my B leg, and the third leg or the last leg is gonna be my C leg. Now after every single time when there is an A leg, B leg and C leg, meaning ABC pattern, if market makes a choke here, meaning market tries to go up again but fails and breaks the higher low level in case of buyers and the lower high level in case of sellers, that will be our change of character. So I'm gonna mention here that it is an A leg of my ABC pattern, it's a B leg, and here I have a C leg. Alright, so my ABC pattern is completed, and now afterwards when there is a market structure break, which is in case of the buyers, sellers drops and they break the previous high low, it's a chalk. A chalk means change of character. So I'm gonna type here CHOCH. So that's gonna be a change of character. Now after every time when there is a change of character, buyers they are always gonna come up again to retest the higher low that market just broke to the downside and created a lower low here. So right after there is a retest, we can take the trade at this retest level, place our stops just above the area from where the seller's movement happened that broke the previous market structure. We can put our stop loss there and we can target 1:2 rewards from every single trade. Now this one is for the sell opportunity obviously. Let me give you an idea on how we can use it for the buy trade opportunities as well. So if we want to buy, we have A leg, then buyers make a move to the upside, then there's going to be a B leg of ABC pattern, then there will be some buyers, then we will wait until the market makes a C leg, and after the C legs, if the seller will come down again, but they will not be able to break this C leg of the ABC pattern, and we see some change of character, which is in case of the buyer trade opportunity, buyers they need to break the previous lower high, and if that happens, then we can simply just wait until the market comes to that break of structure, retest it, and then we can look for the buy opportunity. We can take the buy, we can place our stop loss just below the area from where this big buyer's movement happened that broke the previous market structure, and we can target 1:2 rewards from every single trade that we take. So let's move on to a couple of examples so you can understand everything perfectly. Alright, so here in this first example, we have our ABC pattern, and I'm gonna show you how our ABC pattern on this chart looks. We have this move to the downside from the sellers, that's gonna be our A leg, then there are some buyers, and after these buyers there is this B leg. Sellers made a strong move to the downside, which is the second leg of our ABC pattern, and right after that there are definitely some buyers. Now after these buyers we can see the C leg started from here, so we are gonna consider this movement our C leg. So as this is the third leg of ABC pattern, so if afterwards the sellers they don't break the market structure, they don't go lower than the C leg of our ABC pattern, and market makes a change of character, then we can simply just look for the buy opportunity. So our A leg is here of the ABC pattern, our B leg is here of the ABC pattern, our C leg is here of the ABC pattern, and there is this change of character as market broke this lower high right here and it went up to create a higher high. After the market, when it broke this lower high right here, which is basically the change of character for us, which is a chalk, it never really retested that level. Market never came down to retest this lower high. which is fine because right after that we definitely have a break of structure here as well. So we can simply just wait until the market comes back again to retest this break of structure and we can look for the buy. Now the very important point that I want to mention that during when the sellers they will be coming down to retest break of market structure area, we need to compare the strength from the buyers which broke this market structure and we need to compare that with the strength from the sellers. So the sellers they need to come down in this type of pattern. They need to have a lot of struggle to the downside. There needs to be miniature level of lower low and lower high sequence. Miniature level of lower low and lower high. If market comes down in this pattern, there is lower low and lower high sequence, then it means that the sellers there is a high chance that they will just get a rejection right at the break of market structure area. So we can look for the buy opportunity, then we can take the buy. We can place our stops just lower than from the price where the market made the move to the upside which broke the market structure, and we can target 1:2 rewards easily and it will be a really nice trade opportunity for us. So now let's see how the market is gonna come to retest the break of market structure area which is right here. If we see struggling movement from the sellers, then we will be taking the buy. So here we can see how the sellers came down as compared to how the buyers went up. So there is definitely a big difference between the sellers movement to the downside to the buyers movement to the upside. So we just need to see whether there is going to be a rejection or not. If there is a rejection, then we will be taking the buy. So we can definitely see market is not able to go down. So simply just place the trade here, put our stops lower than from where the market, the big buyers movement happened to the upside that broke the previous market structure, and we target at least 1:2 rewards from this trade. Is going to be a good trade opportunity and we will see how this trade is going to play out. And look how aggressively the buyers went up and market easily hit our take profit area. It's as simple as that. You just need to follow the steps that I am showing you in this video and you will be able to master it very perfectly and it will make you tons of money. So let's now move on to next example so you can have an idea that how well this strategy works. So on this chart of Euro British Pound on the 15-minute time frame, we have our ABC pattern which looks like that market make a move to the upside. That's our A leg of the ABC pattern. Then there are some sellers. Buyers made a move to the upside again, which is our B leg. And then there are some sellers. And this C leg is gonna be when from this price level, buyers made a move to the upside that broke the high of B leg. As we're not gonna consider this movement our C leg because market never actually went higher than the high of B leg. So right after the C leg happened, what we need to see, we need to wait until market makes a change of character, which means buyers do not go higher than the high of C leg and sellers break the higher low in case of the seller's opportunity, in case if we want to sell. So there was this high low and look how strong the sellers came down. When they came down, they ended up breaking this high low area. So definitely there is a change of character happened here as market broke this structure and ended up creating a lower low. So what now we need? We need market to come up again, but it comes up with miniature level of higher high and high low, higher high and high low, higher high and high low, and makes a small rejection right at this break of market structure area. If there is going to be a rejection, then we will take the trade, put our stop loss just above the area from where the sellers they actually started to drop when they broke the market structure, which was right here. So we will place the stop loss just above the start of the sellers movement and our target is gonna be 1:2 rewards. So let's see that how buyers are gonna come up to retest break of market structure area. So here we can definitely see the momentum from the sellers as compared to the momentum from the buyers. Sellers they are definitely very strong while the buyers they are taking some time to come to that level from where the break of market structure happened and there seems to be a rejection happening here. So let's see whether it's going to be a rejection or not. So we can definitely see market, it actually has made a rejection right at the break of market structure area. So we can simply just take the sell trade from here, put stops higher than the area from where the seller's movement happened and target at 1 ratio to rewards is going to be a good trade opportunity. And this time we are taking the sell on Euro British Pound 15-minute time frame. So now let's see how this trade is going to play out. And here we go. Look how well the market, it ended up hitting our take profit area, and we have got another 2 rewards from this trade as well. I literally shown you one of my favorite trading strategy. You only need to master the ABC pattern. You only need to master the concepts of change of market character, and if you can master these simple steps and you backtest it enough, then I can guarantee that you will be able to make a lot of money in the trading. So if you guys got some value out of this video, let me know by smashing the like button and pressing the subscribe button. I will see you guys in the next video. If you want me to make a video of your favorite topic, let me know in the comment section. So thank you for watching. Bye for now. Peace out.